Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is the truck driver here, Alex. Jimmy's inside the truck right now, so this will be a solo video. Anyway, I want to go ahead and do a video today about the washroom. This is a nice little spot here in Cartersville, Georgia. Is where I usually do our laundry because it's so close to our terminal. I want to do a quick, view of the parking lot. As you can see, there's our truck. So for the truck drivers nearby, I know with our company, they know us already, but they do have bobtail parking here. Usually they're pretty relaxed about it. So why don't we go ahead and work our way in? The people here are great. I love coming here. They always do a good job. They offer wash and fold, and to be honest with you drivers, that's really one of the major reasons I come here, other than the laundromat itself. I do know how to do my own laundry, but the wash and fold saves me a lot of time. While they do that, I could go next door and go do my grocery shopping. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the business hours. Looks like they're open Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and their last load is at 7:30 p.m. every day. If not when here, we will close at 8 p.m. I guess I got something going on right here. Right here. Update. All right, let's go inside. This place is always well maintained. It's always so clean. They have a ton of different machines in here. They do have it so it's easy for you with the Speed Queen app. I've used this app at other laundromats and it does make things a lot easier too. They have the bill changer for you. They have stuff for the kids. If you're in a hurry and low on supplies, especially for the truck drivers, this is great. Now, I'm also going to shoot a quick little shot of the card, and I'm still going to put all their information on the link. In the description below. So go ahead and check that out, folks, when you get a chance. Okay. And there's gonna be their fluff and fold services. That's not bad at all. Right here, $1.29 a pound. That's great. All their prices are pretty fair. The folks here, they do a great job. It makes my life very, very easy. I'm going to take a quick view of all the machines they got. Depending on the load size you want to do, they have vending machines in here. As you can see, everybody, the place is very clean. And I guess they have advice for you. If you're going to do laundry, they have little stuff to, give you a hand. This part's cool too. They also have a lounge area where you're waiting for your laundry. It's very, very friendly when you come in here. Very welcoming. I'll give you guys an idea of the place, the environment. They have 2 bathrooms, one for the men, one for the women. Plenty of baskets. If you need it, they got it. They have smaller machines. They have the bigger machines in the back. The people that I know here, I believe there's 3 staff members, but the people I know are Mindy and I believe it was Carla. And they all been great. They're always super nice. They're welcoming when we come in. Especially, not to say that they favor truckers or anything. They treat all of their customers, equally, and they do their best for everybody. But man, I've never had to wait too long for my laundry to get done here. But as you can tell by the machines, they have, plenty of them for me to do it myself. Again, I'm always strapped on time, so I got to go ahead and get out of here. But yeah, great service, great prices, very comfortable, always clean. God. Clock is cool. Bring it back out. Alrighty, folks. I'm gonna do one last little shot of the parking lot for y'all. I appreciate everybody watching. You know, again, give it a try. If you're in town, it's a great spot to go to. You know, I recommend it highly. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the links down below. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. I appreciate everybody's support, views. Everybody take care. God bless. I'm going to leave all the information below for the washroom. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Goodbye.